Hello, my name's Brett Hayes, Vitality Plus Australia. Now look, we've been distributing the Phi Sciences Dr. Patrick Flanagan's MegaHydrate for, look, it must be 18 years, but it's well and truly over 15 years. And one of the questions that we've received over those years is, how long does the antioxidant properties of the hydrogen ions, once it's been put in water, into a fluid, how long does that last? And so look, well, I don't know. So today's the day we're going to find out. And another quick question that we get from people is, the recommended dose is 2 capsules. If I take 1 or 2, does it make any difference? So what we're going to do is I'm going to fill up this glass with demineralized, basically distilled water, oxidative water, acidic water on the pH scale. And we'll put in 1 capsule, we'll measure the ORP. Then we'll put in another capsule, we'll see if it changes the ORP, the oxidization reduction potential. Then look, we're a little bit after 9:30 here in Queensland, Australia, and then we'll come back in about an hour and we'll measure the ORP again. And then we'll come back in another hour and we'll measure the ORP again. So hopefully we'll get 4 or 5 readings out of this, just to see what changes do happen in the antioxidant value. So first and foremost, let's just fill up our glass with our water, and then we'll measure the ORP of this. So like I say, this will be an oxidative water, meaning it's got no free hydrogen ions in it. And we'll just measure that. And as you can see, it's a plus, because there's no minus there on the meter. That's about plus 133 millivolts, meaning it's got no antioxidant properties in that water at the moment. And I might just add that when you drink water like this, for your body to absorb it, I believe your body has to donate hydrogen ions from within the cellular terrain to actually make this water absorbable at the cellular level. I mean, that's obviously why raw fruit and raw vegetables and fresh spring water is best for us. But anyway, I'll just take this out. I'll leave that there. I'm just going to open this. This is a brand new packet, so it's untampered. Open that. Okay, so let's get out 2 capsules. We'll get 1 capsule. I'll stir it in with a wooden utensil, it's actually a chopstick. So if we were to use steel, obviously the steel will take some of the hydrogen ions. There's that fizz we love. Just stir that around. Okay, now watch the meter. So at the moment, it was about 133. Bang, did you see that? Minus 439, minus 438. Okay, so let's grab another one and see if adding 2 capsules changes it. Not dramatically so. Is that 470, 480? So look, not dramatically so when you add it. So if you did really want to get your hydrogen ions into it, maybe just, 1 capsule 2 times a day in separate times, or 1 capsule 4 times a day, whatever it is. So, but as you can see, that's minus 483. It was plus 140, now it's 490. So it's gone minus 500 now. So the time is there. 20 to 10 in the morning. We'll come back in about an hour and we'll measure it again and see if there's any change to around minus 500. 1 hour later, let's have a look. See you then. Okie dokie. It's an hour later. Let's have a look. This will be interesting. Turn on the ORP meter and let's throw it in. Oh, look at that. Minus 700 and climbing. So obviously the hydrogen has had more time to react with the water molecules, the oxygen molecules and the hydrogen in the water, and it's actually going up. There you go. Well, that's surprising. I thought it would go down, like the hydrogen would be absorbed into the greater atmosphere, but it's actually 748, 749, minus 750. Let's come back in an hour and see if it blows over the scale. 1 hour later, I'll see you then. Minus 774. Okay, It's been an hour later and we've still got all the bubbles, and it's like it's obviously cleared a lot more. So let's just turn on the ORP meter. What was it, -770, 774 or something? Here we go. Oh no, it's still going up. Is that -700? So obviously the antioxidant potential doesn't really disperse even after a couple of hours. It looks as though it's going to go up to -770 again. So even after 2 hours, what's that, 2 hours now? It still hasn't dropped down, -776, so it's holding it. Just on a side note, we just ended it and we just looked, as you can see, it's actually gone -800 now. I mean, this is ridiculous. The antioxidant potential. But anyway, we'll come back in an hour. -809, -810. I think I'll write that down. Very interesting. See you in an hour. Okie dokie. So as you can see, it's another hour. So I think we're -810, which is quite incredible. So let's just have another go. We'll put it in there, turn that on. Okie dokie, so we know the MegaHydrate doesn't lose its antioxidant potential quickly. And in fact, it builds. It's stabilizing, there you go, it's just about to go -840. So when you consider it was like +140, that's an antioxidant value of at 980 already. That's incredible. We're at -855 at the moment. We'll see you in 1 hour. Hello, well, we're back again. So it's been 5 hours since we first introduced the MegaHydrate into our glass of water. That first started off with an oxidative level of +140, and now we got down to -800s 5 hours later, so 4 hours later. So now we're on our 5th. Let's just see where it's running now, 5 hours later. I did notice that the bubbles in the water have slowed down dramatically. But let's just put on our ORP. But the antioxidant potential hasn't. It's actually increasing. So we're back at, there you go, raced up to 840, -840. And we're now -850. I mean, like it's -872, 873. Look, I think we'll do one more. We'll go 6 hours. Just waiting, just doop, doop, doop. There it goes, -880. Anyway, on that, we'll see you in an hour and we'll see where we're going. Okay, so we're back. It's a little bit over 6.5 hours, 9:30, we're almost at 3 o'clock. So let's see where the ORP is now. -7, what were we at? -880, I believe we were around. There you go, -67, 66. So there you have it. MegaHydrate, add it to your water, whether you're working out, you're going for a walk, or you're at the gym, whatever you're doing, when you want that readily powerful antioxidant presence in the water supply that you're drinking and feeding your body with, think no further than MegaHydrate. What a fabulous product. I mean, it got up to -880 from +140. It's ridiculous. Look, if you've got any queries, let us know. Happy to be of service, and yeah, get the MegaHydrate into you. Your body will thank you.